In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs resume template. If you want a clean, professional resume fast, this is a great place to start, and you don't need any design skills to make it look polished. First, open your browser and go to docs.google.com. Sign in with your Google account so you can create and save documents. If you're new to Google Docs, don't worry. Everything saves automatically to your drive as you work, so you won't lose your progress. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, look for Template Gallery near the top. Click it to open a set of ready-made designs. Scroll down until you reach the Resumes section. You'll see styles like Swiss, Coral, Spearmint, Serif, and Modern Writer. These are professionally formatted so you can focus on your content rather than layout choices. Choose a resume design you like and click it. Google Docs will create a brand new document from the template, which you can edit freely. The original template stays untouched, so you can always go back and try a different style later if you change your mind. Now it's time to personalize. Replace the sample text with your own information. Your name and contact details at the top, then your education, skills, work experience, and a short summary. Just click and type. Headings, spacing, and font sizes are already set to look consistent. As you edit, keep your content clear and concise. In the summary, share who you are and what you bring in a sentence or two. For work experience, list your most recent roles first and highlight achievements with results, like numbers or outcomes. Keep skills relevant to the jobs you're applying for, and make sure your education section includes your degree, school, and dates if helpful. Try not to reformat too much. Small tweaks are fine, but the template is designed to stay tidy and readable. When you're finished, you have a few ways to save and share. Google Docs has already auto-saved your document, but for applications, you'll usually want a copy you can attach. Go to File, then Download, and choose PDF for the most professional, universally readable version. If an employer specifically asks for a Word file, select Microsoft Word, Ja DuasiX. Use a clear professional file name so it's easy to identify. A few final tips to make your resume stand out. Keep it to one page if possible, avoid changing fonts too much, and stick with a clean, simple layout that's friendly to applicant tracking systems. That means minimal graphics and straightforward sections, so your information is easy to scan. You're all set. Professional resume? Done.